Hello, my name is Brandon Cutter with Northtech Machine. We're here in the Northtech booth at the IWF 2024 show, standing next to this year's Challenger Award winner, Northtech's iGlue. In short, this is a dovetail gluing machine with no programming required. It scans and applies glue in the correct amount, exactly where you need it each time. The machine comes with an onboard water pot and glue pot. It has two selector switches to choose either male or female tenon application, as well as the volume of glue. When the machine has been idle for a few minutes, it puts itself to sleep in its own water bath to keep the tip fresh. We simply wake it up, it comes to life, and then we choose exactly what tenon, if we want to put it on the male or female application. Once we do that, we put the part in, scans, and it glues all in one pass. Now, if we want, we merely switch to the female side. And we can put the glue in the female portion as well. No programming, no changeovers, any size drawer, any size pattern. The glue is properly applied in place. Any size, doesn't matter. Any thickness, doesn't matter. The Northtech iGlue puts the glue right where you want it. And that's why it was both this year's Challenger Award and last year's Visionary Award winner. Kind of a double crown.